Hi, good morning. I'm Andy from the service department here. I'm one of the service advisors. How can I help you?
So I just bought my car and I'm bringing it in for its first oil change, and I bought the prepaid maintenance plan, and I'm just kind of wondering what's all included in that.
Oh, let me take a minute and explain that to you. Well, Mercedes-Benz offers a variety of different levels of prepaid maintenances. The great thing about the prepaid maintenance programs is that you pay everything up front, so that when you come in here for any scheduled maintenance, there's no cost. There's no out-of-pocket costs. Everything is covered. There's a lot of comfort knowing that when you do get a prepaid maintenance program, that when you do come in for service, everything that's due for service will be serviced and maintained. We don't skip anything. So again, depending on the level of prepaid maintenance that you get, you are protecting your investment through ensuring that all of your maintenance that's necessary and required through Mercedes-Benz is going to be completed by a Mercedes-Benz trained technician in a timely fashion, timely manner, and no additional out-of-pocket costs that you're going to realize out of it. You pay for it all up front.
What are some perks to buying from Mercedes-Benz and Benz?
Well, the great thing about Mercedes-Benz and Benz, we obviously have factory trained technicians. That's a benefit because you get people that understand the vehicles and they know the vehicles, they're familiar with the vehicles and all the aspects of it. The other part about it is that we do get factory parts. All of our parts are genuine Mercedes-Benz parts. We don't use aftermarket parts at all, so everything is going to come from the factory, built directly and specifically for your vehicle. The other great thing about buying a vehicle here is we get courtesy washes. You have a lifetime of courtesy washes that are available to you. So when you buy your car, you get your washes that are open to you, that all you have to do is call us, get yourself scheduled on the calendar, and you come in to get your car washed. It takes about 45 minutes for a hand wash and vacuum, clean the inside of the car out completely, and you're on your way, and your car is maintained and it's serviced and it's clean on a regular basis. The other great thing about purchasing a vehicle here is that when you come in for service, we have courtesy loaner vehicles that are available to you that are no cost to you, unlimited mileage. You have the vehicle until we're done with your car. So there's no concerns and worries about any transportation needs for you, your family, or friends, or whatnot. Or we offer a free courtesy shuttle. If you have another vehicle at home, you don't need one of them. You don't need a second car for the day or for the time being. We'll shuttle you back home. We'll shuttle you to work and back. We'll shuttle you to the store for shopping and pick you up when it's done. So there's lots of different perks that occur and happen and that are available to you as a customer through Mercedes-Benz and Benz. Those are just a couple.
Great, thank you so much for explaining everything. That makes me so much better about buying from Mercedes-Benz and Benz.
You're welcome. Go, Cash, your service is all done. Thanks for coming in today.
Thank you. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for joining us here at Kendall Mercedes-Benz and Benz. I hope you have a great day.
Kendall, let's start something great.